So most people compare impact windows by price, but the truth is price and value are not the same thing. And choosing a brand on price is the fastest way to regret the project later. Impact windows, roofing, things like that, these are not projects you're doing every year. You're not painting the house. These are expensive projects. They are disruptive of your life, and it is worthwhile to take the time to really understand what you're getting at the end of the day. So impact windows typically cost between $18,000 to $45,000 on a standard home here in Florida. But the value of impact windows really depends on 5 things. You have the quality of the windows, the strength of the window frame, the design pressure, the installation quality, and the actual performance during a storm. So let's start with performance. A real impact window isn't just about the glass. It's about the entire assembly being tested under extreme pressure cycles. So cheaper windows often have weaker frames, lower DP, that's design pressure, and they cut corners on the hardware. So the next is the resale value. When you have homes with impact windows, they're going to sell faster, hands down, and for more money. Buyers will pay a premium because they know a home is protected, whereas if you don't have impact windows, they're going to ask for a discount. And then on top of that, there's insurance. So most homeowners actually save hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year. And over 10 years, the insurance savings alone can cover a big part of your project. Then energy. And when it comes to energy, impact windows reduce heat transfer. They block the UV rays from coming into the glass, and they keep your AC from running nonstop. So yes, these monthly savings, when you stack them on top of each other, they really add up fast. And unfortunately, they're not really considered when people are considering buying impact windows. So at the end of the day, yes, the price is high, but the value is significantly higher. And that's why impact windows are one of the best long-term investments for you and your family. And if you're looking for somebody to walk you through different brands, different options, anything to do with pricing and transparency, just like our windows, Bigfoot is here to help. Bigfoot Roofing, Windows, Building Trust, one window, one roof, one door at a time.